friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope by now you have learned how to draw a simple house plan. Today I'll be teaching you how to draw the front elevation of the house. This is the plan of which we are going to draw the front elevation. I'll provide you the plan AutoCAD file of this drawing plan. Please check the link in the description. You can download this file and start drawing the elevation. This will be the elevation of that house which I am going to teach you. In our next tutorial, I will be teaching you how to draw the 3D model of the same house. This is the 3D model of that house which I did in AutoCAD. And this is the rendered image which was done in 3ds Max. So let's start. Draw a baseline, that is the ground level of the building. Then start projecting lines from the plan. Let's start from this column. Project till this line. You can copy this line like this and project all the lines whichever is required to draw the elevation. Okay, fine. Extend this and trim all this. Okay, now the plinth height of this house is 1 feet 6 inch. You can see here 1 feet 6 inch. So this is the entry. We'll offset this by 1 feet 6 inch. You can trim whichever is extending is 2, and each step is 6 inch, so you can offset 6. You can trim these lines, trim. Okay, next the lintel level of the doors and windows is 7 feet. That is, you can see here it's mentioned as 8 feet 6 inches. That is 7 feet from the floor level. You can extend till here because we need that line till there. Then the shade is 9 inch. Offset that by 9 inch. Join this, fillet this, and you can join. You can trim in between these two. This is not required. Trim all this. Okay, now this window is 4 feet 6 inches in height, so offset 4 feet 6 inches from this line bottom, fillet, zoom here, fillet this. Okay, trim that. So this is our window. Next we have to draw this part. Okay, you can fillet all this like this. This is not required. And the bottom of this line is 14 feet 6 inch. So 14 feet 6 inch from here. Okay, then you can see this is 2 inch projecting out and height is 2 inch. Again, this is projecting 2 inch out and height is 4 inch. So here you can offset 2 inch and 4 inch. 2 inch. Okay, zoom here. You can fillet this and this with this. Okay, I'll teach you a trick. If you want a half circle, semicircle here, which I had shown in that elevation, you can just go to fillet command and pick these two. So it will be filleted like this. You can see a semicircle here. Actually, this has to be from here. If you see the elevation, you can see it's like that. Okay, trim this. The same design will be here, so you can mirror place 2 and select mid between 2 points. Okay, right, like this. So this is done. Zoom out, and same design is copied from this base point to this. So you can delete all this, or you can trim and trim all those lines. Okay, this is this slab line which is mentioned here, 11 feet 6 inch. So offset 11 feet 6 inch, and it is up to this line. Fillet that, trim this and trim this. So this part is done, this one is done, and we'll come here. This window is 6 feet height. Okay, this is a window, and you can see this is a planter box line, and these two are some railing line. So this is 1 feet, then this gap is 4 inch, and this is 2 inch. So we'll go there, offset this by 1 feet, you can trim these two. Okay, then 4 inch gap, 2 inch railing, cover this from this base point to this. So this is done. Okay, now we'll draw this sunshade. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is, you can cover these two, thickness of the sunshade, fillet this and this with this and this with this. This line will extend till here, so you can extend till there. Okay, you can see here. These are not required, you can trim. Okay, next we'll draw this portion. This is the slab and a small parapet, then again railings. So this railing is 5 inch 2 inch, 5 inch 2 inch, then 5 inch 5 inch. Okay, so this is the slab line. You can extend this here, this is not required. These are also not required, this you can erase. So offset 12, then offset 5, offset 2, copy this one like this, then offset 5, then offset 4. You can trim all this. All these are not required. Okay, so this is done. This is not required, you can trim here. Okay, you can see there is a window here, which is this one. You can project that line from there to perpendicular to this, and copy this to this. Okay, trim, come and trim these two. That window height is 4 feet 6 inch. 4 feet 6 inch, offset from there, trim these two. That's done. Now we'll start drawing this inclined roof. Okay, this bottom, it starts from here, so you can offset this by 9 inch. This starts from here and ends here. Okay, you can see the height, it is 10 feet. So draw a line from ground level 10 feet and project a line from here. This is that sloping inclined line. Okay, this will join, draw a line from here to here. You can erase this and this. Okay, next it is sloping from this to here. This point height, it is 15 feet. Okay, 15 feet. which is still here, this line. Offset 15 feet from here. Okay, so this is that point. Draw a line from this to this. This line is not required. You can erase this. You can erase this. Okay, you can join this one. Fillet, and all these lines you can start trimming because it's not required. All this. Okay, then you can see I've shown two dotted lines. This is actual slab level and this is the parapet wall. So this bottom of this is at 8 feet 6 inches, that is this level. Okay, so draw a reference line from here like this, copy this from this to this, and offset that by 6 inch. You can erase this, make these two as dotted lines. You can go here, pick it up. You can clean up this, it's not required. Okay, fine. This line also you can erase. Okay, you can see I have drawn two square openings in this inclined wall. It is 1 feet by 1 feet. So draw a rectangle 1 feet, 1 feet. Okay, offset 1 inch. There is a band for that. 1 inch offset. You can offset it inside. Now this is like this and this is inclined, so you have to align this one. So you can go to align command. Shortcut is AL, align. Pick this, enter, select this point as a base point first, and this as the first destination point. This is the second source. You can see here second source and second destination. You can select anywhere in this inclined line. Okay, then press enter. So this is aligned to this inclined wall. Okay, now the first one is somewhere here, the second one is here. So offset this by 8 feet. I'll move this point here, then it is after 4 inch, so I'll offset 4 inch and move this one here. We'll offset this 6 inch, it looks little less, move here. Okay, fine. Now this is done, and next one is, you can copy this from this base point to here, and next one is here. This is not required, you can erase that one. Okay, all these things are over, and I have shown the parapet wall behind this. You can just copy this design and this vertical line, select this base point and right click perpendicular to this wall. Okay, cool. Trim this is not required. Copy these lines, trim from this. All these are not required. Trim this. Okay. This is actually 6 inch lower than this, so I can move it 6 inch. Okay, then trim all this. Cool. Okay, so this is done. Now we'll start doing this window detail. Okay, go to this window. The window frame is 2 inch, so you can offset all around by 2 inch. Okay, you'll see, you can see 2 inches this one, that is a window frame, and 2-inch shutter frame, and this one is 1 inch. Okay, so this is 2-inch. This window is 5 feet total. Okay, there are 2 frames in between, 1, 2. So you have to calculate and mark exactly what is the width of each shutter. So don't need to use a calculator and calculate. I'll teach you. Okay, copy one line, copy this line somewhere here, stretch this by 1 inch, stretch this by 1 inch. So this is the line which is from this center of this frame to this frame. Now we will go to divide command. Okay, divide, div, or you can type divide. So this is divide command. Select this. It's asking enter the number of segments, so we'll mark 3. Okay, so this is the center point of another shutter. So you can copy this from this end point to this node and to this node. Okay, erase all these reference line, trim all this. You can see all these are exactly equal. See, look, perfect. Okay, now this is done. Now offset this by another by 2 inch, 2 inch, 2 inch. This is the shutter frame. Copy this. Sorry, trim that or fillet it and finish it. Now you can see I've drawn in these smaller frames. This width is actually this is in center of that shutter. So we'll go there, draw a reference line, center, offset that by ½ inch both the side. So this is 1 inch. Offset. So this width and this height is same. So you have to offset this distance. So go to offset. Now you don't know what is the distance from this point to this point. So you can simply click these 2 points and offset here. So this is offsetted by this distance. Okay, offset 1 inch down. Fine. Then mirror this using this midpoint as the base point. Okay. Now you can finish all this. Trim and finish all this. Trim, trim, trim. Cool. Now I've shown a window glass hatch here. Okay, you can hatch same way you can hatch here. Go to hatch command, type hatch, or you go to hatch command, go to gradient, go to one color, and you can select any colors whatever color you want. I'll select this blue. Okay, we'll change it a little bit sky blue. But if it is looking okay, select this, pick point, select all this base point, and click OK. Okay, now this is looking perfect. Now we can copy all this, base point here, second point, third point. Okay, this window is done. Now we can copy all these things, select base as this point and second point this one. This window is 4 feet 6 inches and this is 6 feet, so you can stretch here like this, or you can stretch by say 1 feet 6 inch, that is 18 inch. Okay, you can erase all this because it's not stretched. Hatch once again, go to gradient, pick points, hatch it. Okay, now copy this 1, 2, 3. And one more window is here which is single shutter, so you can copy this shutter, base point this one, second point this one, done. So windows are done. Next is hatch. This portion and this portion. Zoom here, type H or go to hatch command. Select your hatch pattern. Now I will select this one. Okay. Pick points here. Enter. Scale maybe 12. I'll check with 12. If it is okay, then press enter. Select this and can put it to any layer. There is one hatch layer here. I'll put inside that. Okay. Hatch. Set point here. Match this one with this. Okay, you can see the elevation is complete. It's very easy. You can copy this text and keep here, double click that, and you can type front elevation. That's it. So this is the elevation of this house plan. It's very easy. I will give you the plan of this one in AutoCAD format, and I will not give the elevation in AutoCAD format. I will give in the PDF format so that you can draw on your own and finish. I hope you understand how to draw the elevation of a house. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will answer your comment. If you want any more tutorials, you can comment in this video. Okay then, bye bye. See you in next video.